Yep, sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook, bafethu. Yeah, bafethu, when it comes to national team, we need to be honest, bafethu. It's a good thing ukuthi as Sundowns, Chiefs, Pirates, Betway Premiership, asizwani, we fight like cat and mouse. It's a good thing. But when it comes to a national team, we have to tell the truth. We have to tell the truth, whether lizobalimaza abantu or kanjani. Evidence Makgopa, Lyle Foster bafethu, you don't deserve to be there. And Saturday masiza ku-friendly, we will tell you. Saturday let's deliver message to Hugo Bruce nalabangani bakhe basebenchini. Evidence Makgopa, Lyle Foster, you don't deserve to play for iBafana Bafana. You don't. And deep down you guys know it. Don't tell us about what you can do. Sifuna results. How many goals did you score ku AFCON? Both of you, man combine, Makgopa and Foster. How many goals did they score ku AFCON? 3, 2, 1. How many? But we are still taking those failures to World Cup. Bafethu, main job a striker is to score. You can't compare a midfielder, defender, and a goalkeeper and a striker. Main job a striker is to score, bra. You can't be a striker ngegama nje ukuthi mina ngiya striker ngidlala phambili. I put pressure phambili. You need to score. Check, for an example, Peter Shalulile used to score goals. For Mamelodi Sundowns. But what happened as soon as Peter Shalulile doesn't score goals? Sundowns bought another striker. Your main job is to score. Don't tell us your main job is to score. Hugo Bruce no Helman Mkelele, they are selecting people based on who Ivan Khoza likes. Facts. Thina sabi siyakhuluma nje. Asabi siyakhuluma iqiniso libuhlungu mara abantu kufanele balizwe. Even you can check na ku Betway Premiership. People are scared to talk. Saturday sibona umhlolo thina sibona match fixing live in South Africa. It was the first time iyenzeka straight emehlweni wabantu. No one said anything. People were scared. People are scared to tell the truth. Bafethu, Makgopa, Lyle Foster, you don't deserve to be in a national team. And the Saturday